can clearly see that only 2 disks are available at the moment. To create a disk partition, first, right-click on this PC and then on the Manage button. Here, click on Disk Management, present under the Storage tab. At first, choose the disk in which you want to create a partition. Right-click on it and then on Delete Volume. To get disks of desired space, click on New Simple Volume and follow the steps shown here. Here, enter your desired space, in MBs. Done. New disk is successfully created. Done. We have successfully created a disk partition.